To open an addiction treatment center in West Virginia, one missed filing can stall your opening for months. West Virginia had the highest opioid overdose death rate of any state in the nation. Here is what it actually takes to get licensed, from the official term the state uses to the fees, the application, and the steps most operators miss. We will walk through the governing body, the certificate of need, the licensing fee, and the full application. First, know what the state actually calls you. In West Virginia, addiction treatment centers are referred to as behavioral health centers under the law and are licensed as such. Licenses are issued by the Office of Health Facility Licensure and Certification under the West Virginia Inspector General. Knowing the official term helps you research the exact regulations and licensure requirements that apply to your facility. Here is why the opportunity is real. 57% of West Virginia Medicaid patients receive inpatient treatment. That is well above the national average, so the data suggests Medicaid-friendly inpatient care may do well here. But here is the catch most operators miss. West Virginia requires a certificate of need before you are even allowed to start opening a facility. The West Virginia Care Authority oversees the CON process. Skip this gate, and the rest of your plan stalls before it begins. Once you are exempt, checked, and ready, the path to a license comes down to 4 steps. Certificate of need, the application, the fee, and one step most states skip. Step 1. Apply for your certificate of need. West Virginia is a CON state, so this approval comes before you begin the licensing process. The West Virginia Care Authority oversees the application and granting process for the certificate of need. Step 2. Complete the initial application for license. West Virginia provides a 4-page application packet through OHFLAC for behavioral health centers. The OHFLAC website lays out a clear, bulleted, step-by-step account of the process to open a center. Step 3. Pay the licensing fee. At the time of publication, West Virginia charged a flat fee of $100 per facility. That is very low compared to states like California, where fees were closer to $3,000. Verify current fees before you apply. Step 4. Get your application notarized. Most states do not require this, but West Virginia does, so do not let it catch you off guard. Sign the completed application in front of a notary public. You can use a bank or an online virtual notary service. Before you submit, make sure you can answer everything the application asks for. It asks for identifying information, the owned or leased building, and the types of services and level of care you offer. It also asks for management, financial stakeholders, your governing body, and the population your center intends to serve. Getting licensed is just the start. Once you open, the compliance work begins. You will need to maintain ongoing compliance with West Virginia regulations after your facility is operational. That includes meeting required staff training requirements on an ongoing basis. And it includes maintaining accreditation standards over the life of your center. This is where the right platform helps. Behave Health is built to make it easier to run an evidence-based addiction treatment center. Our all-in-one app puts clinical, admissions, alumni, and resident management at your fingertips. It also covers treatment plans, billing, and insurance authorizations in one place. Behave Health is designed to help direct you to the right resources for licensing or accreditation through the Joint Commission or CARE-AF. Stop letting paperwork stall your opening. See the all-in-one platform built for treatment centers and start your free trial at behavehealth.com. See clinical, billing, and admissions in one app and start your free trial at behavehealth.com.